Hello children, welcome back to your English class. Hope you all are well and fine. So children, how are you all? Hope you all are in very good condition. Today we'll do chapter 12 of your grammar, that is using question words. Now children, what are question words? Just now I have asked you a question, how are you all? That means I'm asking about you all. Okay, so how is the question word? Words that are used to ask questions are known as question words. They are also called WH words because they all start with the letters WH except the word how because it starts with the letter H. Now children, let's see how these words help us. What? What is used to ask about people and things? For example, what is your brother's name? Here we are asking about somebody's name. Okay. Then what is in the bag? We are asking about something. Who? Who is used to ask about the main person in a sentence? The people whom we are asking about. Okay. The example is, who plays in the park with you? We are asking for the people who plays in the park with you. Then, when? When is used to ask about time. For example, when will we start for the picnic? Where? Where is used to ask about a place. Where do you want to go in the evening? Okay, that means in which place do you want to go in the evening? Why? Why is used to ask for a reason. Why were you absent yesterday? If you are absent in the previous day, definitely you will be asked the very next day that why were you absent, isn't it? So, it is asked for a reason. Whose? Whose is used to ask about someone's position, like whose book is it? Okay. Which is used when there is a choice between two or more things. When there are two or more things that you have to choose between, that time you have to use which. For example, which of these books do you want? Suppose there are many books there, suppose 5 or 6 books are there and you have to choose one book out of those books. So that time you will use which. How? How is used to ask about the way something is done or prepared. How? That means we want to know the steps how the thing has been done. For example, how do you make biryani? Or how did you make the project? So we would like to know how the steps, how it was made. Now children, I'm sharing a table with you. I think you can understand by seeing this. You go through this table, okay, and I want all of you to go through these question words and understand it, okay, and exercises I will be sending you. Till then, thank you. If you have any problem in understanding the things, you can ask me, okay? Thank you.